If you need help with your Y sound, that's okay. Check out my video before we get started. Then come back and practice with me. So let's practice with the Y sound as the first part of the word. I want for you to repeat after me when we say the word. Yarn. Yarn. Yellow. Yellow. Yacht. Yacht. Yawn. Yawn. Yell. Yell. Yard. Yard. Yolk. Yolk. Yam. Yam. New York. New York. Now let's practice with the Y sound in the middle or medial part of our word. You won't see as many since this isn't quite as common. Kayak. Kayak. Lawyer. Lawyer. Royal. Royal. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Yes, we do see a Y at the end of the word, but it doesn't say the Y sound, so we will not be practicing these words. So you're done. Way to go, you. I'm really proud. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.